Streamline your booking process and ensure your play space is always ready for fun by setting up a recurring schedule for playtime reservations. Start by customizing and creating your listing to highlight the fun and exciting experiences you offer. These can be seen by the title, description, your pricing question, your cancellation policy, and a cool image. Once your listing is ready, head over to the time slot tab and then click add new time slot. Set your desired start and end times. Then click on the repeats box to choose how often the playtime should occur, whether it be daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. I'm going to select daily, every 2 days. You will then select an end date. Recurring time slots work great for regularly scheduled playtimes like a reserved play session every weekday at 10 a.m. or after school hours on weekdays. With just a few easy steps and clicking save, your recurring schedule will be set, making it simple for parents to book their kids' playtime. Be sure to preview your listing to make sure everything looks just right for your customers. You can just scroll down and click more dates just to see your recurrence.